Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now it seems that Interim Director of Football Wendell Downswell is in line to get that job for the foreseeable future. This after JFF President Michael Ricketts says he would make a recommendation to the board for him to get the job on a permanent basis. Downswell says it would be great for him to continue the work he has started.
Over the years, I've gone and the necessary experience as it relates to football in Jamaica. I've been in football, I would say, all my life, both as a player and as a coach and administrator at Reno and coach, so to speak. So I believe that I've garnered enough experience, and I've done a number of international courses and such like. So therefore, I think I'm one of the most qualified person for such a position, and it's something that I'm looking forward to do. I think I could make a major difference as it relates to Jamaica's football once I'm appointed in that position.
And with a branch of the CONCACAF office based in Jamaica and money on offer for coaching courses, Downswell says Jamaica must capitalize on the offer.
This is something that we have to capitalize on as it relates to it. So we have to put a plan in place within the next 2 or 3 years that we get certain amount of coaches qualify, and then we look at from that. Now we have an elite group of coaches, so to speak. We can provide them with international exposure and experience, stint in Germany, Holland, you can name it. And so therefore, when these coaches are back now, therefore they can sit now and start the new dispensation as it relates to coaching development.